everybody, welcome back. My name's Amara Andrew, and first off, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and happy all the December festivities. This is one in a series that I'm doing this year for my Christmas mocktail recipes. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make my Sugar Plum Fairy mocktail. Sorry, there's like a hail in my mouth now. Gross. I also have one called the Christmas wreath, which is like a rosemary cranberry kind of vibe. I have a gingerbread cookie one, a peppermint mocha, like lots of different recipes, so go check them out on my channel as well as at amaraandrew.com, linked in the description below. Without further ado, let's just get to this one. This one's called the Sugar Plum Fairy, just based off, obviously, the Nutcracker. Duh. Super simple, so let's just get to it. First, what you do, you're gonna take a lowball glass and then just rim it with lime juice. Whoa, that is a juicy lime. Whoops. And then you're just gonna take purple cocktail sugar. I got this on Amazon. It's nice because it's naturally colored, so it doesn't have like red 40 and blue whatever in it. So it's just made with natural things, which is pretty groovy. I'll have it linked below as well as in the recipe for this. Like I said, amaraandrew.com. It's just really pretty. I'm not really a purple fan, but I think it looks very pretty. See? Okay, so set the sugar off to the side. Then you're gonna take your glass and we're gonna put like 5 or 6 or so mint leaves in there. And this drink is gonna be sweet, like on the sweet side. So if you like sweet, this is gonna be perfect for you. So we have our mint leaves in there. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take ½ teaspoon of almond extract, and pour that in there. Then we're gonna take one teaspoon, oh my God. Then we're gonna take 1 ounce of rosemary simple syrup. Wow, I had like just enough, that was perfect. And then 1 ounce of vanilla simple syrup. Pour that in there. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of blackberry simple syrup. So this gives it a really pretty like berry color, but it also, I don't know, it just tastes really good. So you get like the berry and the sweetness, and just a cacophony of flavors, which I love. Then we are gonna muddle this together. So you can use like an actual bartender spoon, but I'm just using a small teaspoon that we have in our kitchen. So yeah, you're just gonna try to muddle the mint so that it mixes in with the simple syrups and everything, as well as the almond extract. Okay, that should be muddled enough. I forgot to bring ice in a pretty bowl, so I'm just gonna pretend that this is coming from a very pretty bowl. You're just gonna throw some ice cubes in there. I'll do like 3. Put that off to the side. And then just top it with Topo Chico. This way it'll help make it a little less sweet. And you can give it a little stir if you'd like. I typically do that just to make sure that it like is good. And then, so to be very truthful, this is the second time I'm recording this. The first time it just didn't turn out properly, which is totally fine. But in the original iteration, I had all purple gumdrops, which you can see right here. I am doing purple and orange because I ate the rest of the purple ones because I was like, oh, I'm done recording. And then I went back and looked at the footage and it was not great. So if you're looking to start cooking stuff, don't eat the rest of your ingredients before you look at the footage. That was my bad, and I'm just too lazy to go back and get other gumdrops from Whole Foods or wherever I got them from. This is why I have a mixture of purple and orange. So, oh well. So you can garnish with that in there, just like throw it on top and you're all set. So let's give it a taste. That is really good. It's an interesting flavor profile because it's almond mixed with the mint, mixed with rosemary, mixed with blackberry, mixed with vanilla. There's a whole lot going on, but it's really good. The gumdrops in there just look really pretty, and like I love the purple cocktail sugar. I'm not a big purple fan, but I think it actually looks really cute. Honestly, this is what I think a Sugar Plum Fairy would taste like if you ate one. You probably shouldn't eat one if you find one, just because I think that might kind of be cannibalism. Probably just isn't good. I recommend not eating them, but you could drink them instead. That was really good. So that's the Sugar Plum Fairy. Super simple, super straightforward. Like I said, recipes on my website at amaraandrew.com, linked below in the description. And then, like I said, also go check out all the other Christmas mocktail recipes that I have. In case you're not into super sweet things, I might recommend the Christmas wreath instead. Or if you want like more of a chocolatey vibe, I have a peppermint mocha. So go check everything out. Have a great and safe, wonderful holiday season. Whatever you celebrate or partake in, I hope you have a great time and be awesome. Do your best. Try to not have a stressful time during the holidays. It can be super stressful, so just take care of yourself. You are the most important thing for yourself, so just take care of you. If you like this video, be sure to like it because that's cool and helpful. And yeah, I hope you have visions of sugar plums dancing in your head. Ta-ta!